Have you ever wondered why it seems like everyone is talking about side hustles? A recent study showed that nearly 70% of part-time workers are actively pursuing a side gig. But why the sudden rush? What's the big secret they're all in on? It's not just about earning a little extra pocket money. It's about a fundamental shift in what's possible. It's because a target like $500 a day changes everything. Think about that for a moment. That's not just paying off a credit card. That's an extra $15,000 a month. That's the power to quit a job you hate, to pay off your mortgage in a fraction of the time, to travel the world, to build a safety net so strong that you never have to worry about an unexpected bill again. It's about reclaiming your time and your freedom. Now, I know what you might be thinking. $500 a day? That sounds impossible. But what if I told you it's not about magic or luck? It's about simple math. In this video, we're going to break down 5 proven side hustles. We'll do the simple math for each one to give you a clear, actionable roadmap to hitting that $500 a day goal. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are real business models that you can start this week. So, grab a notepad and let's dive into the first hustle. First up, freelance web design. Now before you say I can't code, let me stop you right there. The game has changed. With powerful, user-friendly platforms like WordPress with Elementor, Squarespace, and Webflow, you can build stunning professional websites without writing a single line of code. Every small business, from your local plumber to the new cafe downtown, needs an online presence, and many are willing to pay good money for it. So let's do the math. The goal is $500 a day. A simple, clean 5-page website for a local business is easily worth $500. In many markets, you can charge much more. But let's stay conservative. To hit your goal, you only need to land and complete one of these projects per day. Or, more realistically, you could land one client every 2 days, which still averages out to a very respectable $250 a day, or $7,500 a month. So, how do you start? First, pick one platform and master it. Watch YouTube tutorials, take an affordable course on Udemy. Second, build a small portfolio. Create 2 or 3 beautiful sample sites for fictional businesses. This is your proof of work. Third, find clients. Start by reaching out to your local network. Then find local businesses with outdated websites. Create a quick redesign mock-up of their homepage, and email it to them with a simple message. I love what you do, and I had an idea for how your website could bring in more customers. Here's a quick concept. This proactive approach gets results. A common pitfall is scope creep, where clients keep asking for more. Avoid this with a clear contract that outlines exactly what's included. Hustle number 2, high-ticket dropshipping. You've probably heard of dropshipping, where you sell products online without ever holding inventory. The supplier ships directly to the customer. High-ticket dropshipping is the same concept, but instead of selling $20 trinkets, you're selling products that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Think electric bikes, standing desks, or high-end furniture. The beauty of this model is the profit margins. Let's say you find a product you can sell for $1,000, and your cost from the supplier is $700. That's a $300 profit per sale. To be safe, let's factor in about $200 for marketing costs like Facebook or Google Ads. That leaves you with a net profit of $100 per sale. With that math, how many sales do you need to hit our target? Just 5 sales a day. 5 transactions to make $500 in pure profit. The key to success here is twofold. First, product selection. You need to find products with high demand and reliable, preferably domestic, suppliers to ensure faster shipping times. Look for niche hobbyist items or home improvement goods. Second, you need a simple sales funnel. This usually consists of a targeted ad that sends traffic to a clean, professional-looking product page on a Shopify store. Your job isn't manufacturing or shipping, it's marketing. You are the expert at getting the right product in front of the right customer. Our third hustle is one of the most scalable. Coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in any area, whether it's fitness, marketing, career development, or even a specific software, you can package that knowledge and sell it. People don't just pay for information, they pay for transformation, accountability, and a clear path to their goals. This is a business with extremely high profit margins because your main product is your time and expertise. Let's look at the numbers. A new coach or consultant in a valuable niche can comfortably charge $250 an hour for a one-on-one session. This isn't an arbitrary number. It reflects the value you provide by saving your client time, money, or stress. At that rate, hitting your $500 daily goal requires just 2 one-hour sessions. That's 2 hours of work for $500. To get started, first, you must define your niche. Don't be a business coach. Be a marketing coach for first-time authors. The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right clients. Second, create a compelling offer. Don't just sell your time, sell a result. For example, a 90-day fitness transformation package is more appealing than just personal training sessions. Third, start creating content that demonstrates your expertise. Post tips on social media, write articles, or start a podcast. This builds trust and attracts inbound leads. Your goal is to get potential clients on a free 15-minute discovery call, where you diagnose their problem and present your service as the solution. Hustle number 4 takes us into the world of e-commerce giants. Amazon FBA Private Label. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This is where you find a generic product, put your own brand and logo on it, that's the private label part, and then ship it in bulk to an Amazon warehouse. From there, Amazon handles everything: storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. Your product gets the coveted Prime shipping badge, and you get to leverage Amazon's massive customer base. The math here is about volume. Let's say you find a product you can source from a manufacturer for $15 per unit. After Amazon's FBA fees, referral fees, and your advertising costs, your total cost per unit might be around $30. If you can sell that product for $80, you're making a $50 profit per unit. To make $500 a day, you would need to sell just 10 units daily. This is very achievable for a well-ranked product on Amazon. The key to success is product research. You need to use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find products with high demand, but low competition. Look for opportunities to improve upon an existing product. Read the 3-star reviews of your competitors. That's where customers tell you exactly what they want. Once you launch, you'll need to focus on getting initial reviews and running Amazon PPC ads to drive traffic and climb the search rankings. It requires more upfront investment than the other hustles, but the potential for passive income is enormous. Finally, let's bring it local with hustle number 5. A premium local service like mobile auto detailing or being a specialized handyman. People are busy and they will gladly pay a premium for convenience and quality. With mobile detailing, you bring the car wash to their home or office. As a handyman, you could specialize in high-demand tasks like smart home installation or furniture assembly. These are not low-wage jobs. When positioned as a premium, convenient service, you can command high prices. Let's break down the detailing example. A basic wash might be cheap, but a premium interior and exterior detail can easily be priced at $125. This isn't just a wash, it's a restoration service. To hit our $500 target, you just need to book 4 of these jobs in a day. That's completely doable. You could do 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. The startup costs are relatively low. Some quality cleaning supplies, a good vacuum, and a pressure washer. Your marketing can be very grassroots. Post before and after pictures in local Facebook groups, print professional flyers to leave in affluent neighborhoods, and set up a simple website with an online booking system. The key here is customer service. Show up on time, do an incredible job, and you'll build a business based on repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. Now, you don't have to rely on just one of these. The real magic can happen when you mix and match. Imagine doing 2 smaller gigs like 2 mobile detailing jobs in the morning for $250 total, plus 1 big-ticket item, like a single 1-hour consulting session in the afternoon for another $250. That combination gets you to $500. The path to financial freedom isn't a single-lane highway, it's a network of roads you can choose from. The 5 hustles we've covered today are just starting points. They are proven models that work. The question is no longer, is it possible? The question is, which one will you choose? My challenge to you is this. Don't just watch another video. Take action. Pick one of these 5 hustles and start one this week. Not next month, not tomorrow. This week. Register the domain name. Buy the first course. Create the sample portfolio. Make the first cold call. The first step is the hardest, but it's also the most important. Once you get your first client or your first sale, you build momentum. From there, you can scale with repeat customers or by confidently raising your prices as your skills and reputation grow. That $500 a day goal is waiting for you. It's time to go get it.